we will solve one problem of bills of exchange for the year March 2018, HSC March 2018, Maharashtra board. So now this is the example of bills of exchange. We will first read the question. Saili sold goods on credit to Manali for rupees 40,000. Saili draws a bill on Manali for 4 months for the amount due. Now here Saili is the seller and Manali is the buyer. So Saili is, we can call it C earlier. Then for Manali accepted the bill. Now here Manali is what? Manali is the drawing and Saili is what? Drawer. So drawer and drawing accepted the bill and returned it to Saili after a month. Now here also after a month Saili discounted the bill with bank at the rate 12% per annum. On the due date, bank informed that the bill is dishonored and bank paid noting charges rupees 300. So noting charges is also there. Manali requested Saili to redeem the bill. So Saili agreed on the condition that Manali should pay rupees 20,000 in cash along with noting charges. So this is the part payment and accept the new bill for the balance with the interest at 15% per annum for 3 months. So this is the new bill interest. These arrangements were carried through. Before the due date, Manali declared insolvent and only 40% of the amount to be recovered from the private estate as a final dividend past journal entries in the books of Saili. So now this is the question and they have told us to pass the journal entries in the books of Saili. So Saili, we know here Saili is the drawer. So one again we can come to know that the person who accept the bill, the person who accept the bill is the acceptor or is the drawing. So Manali is accepting the bill, Manali is the drawing and Saili is the drawer. Okay, so now this question we will solve. Sold goods means what? From sales. These journal entries are from the sales. So we have to pass journal entries in the books of Saili, drawer. So I have drawn here journal entries in the books of Saili, drawer. Okay, so now first we will see every sentence will have a journal entry. ये सब journal entries है हर एक sentence में. Now first Saili sold goods on credit to Manali for 40,000. So sold is there, sales entry. So first entry will be of sales. So first entry we will now Saili sold goods to Manali. So Manali is the drawing. So journal entry for sales is what? Drawing account debit to sales account. So drawing is Manali. So we will write down here Manali account debit 40,000. Amount of the goods is 40,000 to sales account. Credit sales is of rupees 40,000. So narration आएगा being sold goods on credit. I will not write the narration. We have to write down here being sold goods on credit. So first entry, first sentence, first entry up to here sales. So Manali account debit to sales account. This is the first entry. So we have completed up to here. Saili draws a bill on Manali for 4 months for the amount due. So bill is of 4 months. Manali accepted the bill and returned it to Saili. So now acceptance. Accepted is what? Acceptance entry. So acceptance entry is what? Bills receivable account debit to drawee account. So bills receivable account debit. Now drawee is Manali. So we will write down here bills receivable account debit. So bills receivable will be of rupees 40,000 to Manali account 40,000. So narration we will write down here being bill accepted for 4 months. So being bill accepted for 4 months. This is the narration. So you can write down the narration also for that. So second entry is what? Bills receivable account debit to Manali account and narration is being bill accepted for 4 months. So now this is the second entry acceptance. See here now what is after a month. So 4 months bill was there and after a month Saili discounted the bill with her bank at the rate 12% per annum. So now drawer is using option of discounted with bill, discounted with bank. And here one more important thing is what? After a month means 1 month later. 4 महीने का बिल है उसमें से 1 मंथ चले गए we will count the discount only for 3 months. Okay, so now we will just see that what is the amount of the bill. We are calculating the discount. 40,000 is the amount of bill, and what is the rate? 12%. 12%, and how many months are remaining now? 3. So 3 upon 12. So this is the discount. Discount is for 40,000, 12%, and 3 upon 12. Remaining 4 months bill was there. 1 month after a month. So 1 month has been expired. So now here we will calculate here. So it comes to 1,200 rupees. 400 into 3, 1,200 rupees. So this is the discount of 1,200. Okay. So after so discounted entry. Now third entry will be what? Discounting of bill. So entry is what? Bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable. So we will write down the here first bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable account. Okay, so now bills receivable is of rupees 40,000, and we have calculated the discount. Discount is what? 12% for 3 months, so 1,200. So discount is 1,200, and remaining amount will be paid by the bank. So 38,800. So bank account debit 38,800, discount account debit 1,200 to bills receivable account 40,000. So this is the entry for discounting with bank. So that is the third entry, and narration is what? Being discounted with bank. So that is the narration. Then next, so up to here we have completed 3 months. First paragraph, 3 journal entries. Okay, now what is the next one? So we can see that on the due date, bank informed that the bill is dishonored, and bank paid the noting charges rupees 300. Now bank is informing that the bill is dishonored, and 300 rupees is the noting charges. Okay, so now we know that, and here again Manali requested Saili to renew the bill. Saili agreed on the condition that Manali should pay rupees 20,000 in cash along with noting charges and accept the new bill for balance with the interest at 15% per annum for 3 months. Now all these paragraphs, it is what? Renewal. See here, renew. So we know renewal 4 entry. Renewal का 4 entry है. पहला वाला क्या है? Cancellation of old bill, dishonor here, dishonor of bill, then part payment, then interest charging, and then what? Acceptance of new bill. So 4 entries are there. So first one entry, we will write down first the journal entry, then we will put up the amount. So first, so entry is what? Dishonor. Dishonor means what? Cancellation. Dishonor means drawee account debit. So drawee is what? Manali. So Manali account debit to option. Now here option was bank. So here we will write down Manali account debit to bank account. So this is the first dishonor of bill. Then next entry is what? Next entry dishonor part payment. So part payment means what? Drawee is making a cash payment. So cash is coming into the business. Cash account debit. Then to drawee account. So cash or bank account debit. Next entry will be of part payment. So cash bank account debit to drawee. Drawee is Manali. So Manali account. We will write up the amount afterward. Then next is what? Then part payment, then interest charging. Next entry is of interest charging. So interest charging is the drawee account debit to interest account. So drawee is Manali. Manali account debit to interest account. So that is the next entry of charging of interest. Drawee account debit to interest. Manali account debit to interest account. And the next entry is what? Acceptance of new bill. So acceptance here same entry, bills receivable account debit to Manali. So that is the new bill. Bills receivable account debit to Manali account. So these are the 4 entries of renewal. First we got dishonor of bill, drawing account debit to option, Manali account debit to bank account, part payment cashback account debit to Manali, then interest charging Manali account debit to interest and bills receivable account debit to Manali account. So now we will calculate here what are the amounts of these. See now bill is of rupees 40,000. Okay, so on the due date the bank informed that the bill is dishonored and back pay noting charges. So noting charges is of 300. Manali requested Saili to renew the bill. Saili agreed on the condition that Manali should pay 20,000 in cash along with noting charges. See now the total now here what is happening? So part payment. So we have to calculate the part payment and we have to calculate the balance. Means new bill. So new bill. So now here the Manali is what means she is paying 20,000 and along with interest with noting charges. So part payment is what 20,300. Okay. So part payment is of 20,000 plus noting charges 20,300 and here see along with interest with noting charges and accept a new bill for balance with interest at 15% per annum for 3 months. So interest is what 15% per annum for 3 months. Balance 40,000 she has paid 20,000. So remaining is what balance is 20,000. So this is the balance and she has to pay along with balance is what interest. So balance amount is 20,000. So 20,000. What is the rate of interest? 15% for 3 months. So 15% for 3 months. 20,000 15%. 15 upon 100 3 months. 3 months and 12. So that is the calculation. So here also what we have to calculate the amount. So 20 then 4 5 is 20 50 multiplied by 15 so 0. Then 5 5 are 25 2 10 5 under 5 and 2 7 so 5 under 5 are 20 750 so 750 is the interest and the new bill of 20,750 new bill. Okay, so these are the calculations. So 20,750 and new bill is of 20,750. So interest and this is of part payment and this is of new bill. So we have to put up here now Manali account. So this is the dishonor entry. So Manali account debit to bank account. The bill amount is 40,000 plus noting charges 300. So we have to write down here 40,300. Okay, and narration is what being bill dishonor. You have to write down the narration for that. Then part payment. Now part payment is this is the part payment 20,000 plus noting charges. So 20,300 cash bank account debit to Manali 20,300. Okay. So what is the narration? Being part payment received from Manali cash bank account debit 20,300 to Manali account 20,300. So that is the part payment. Then what is the next entry? What interest charging? So interest amount we have calculated 750. So 750 we have to write down the amount here 750. So being interest charge narration. Then next is what bills new bill accepted. So we have marked here new bill as 20,750. So new bill amount is what 20,750. Okay, so that is the 4 entries of renewal of bill. So total it comes to 7. So now we have solved up to here and these are the calculations. You can go through these calculations so you will understand what is the calculation. Now next, these arrangements were carried through before the due date. Manali declared insolvent and only 40% of the amount would be recovered from a private estate as final dividend. Now insolvency is there. So insolvency 2 entries are there. First is what? First entry is of dishonor of bill or cancel the bill, and next entry is what? Final settlement or what we are receiving as a final dividend. So that entry. So 2 entries will be now there. First is what? We have to cancel the bill or dishonor. The bill has been dishonored. So cancellation entry. So next is what? For insolvency to entries we have to prepare cancellation means dishonor entry. So Manali account, Robbie account debit to auction. So Manali account is debited. This is the amount of bill Manali account debit. Now option it means what? First option. So drawer has written. So Manali account debit to bills receivable account. Okay. So amount of bill is what? 20,750. So this is the dishonor of bill or cancellation of bill. Now we have to write down the final settlement. So now final settlement is of, see we are receiving only 40%. So 40% of this 20,750 into 40%. So 40%. So we have to calculate that. So 4 5s are 20, 7 4s are 28 and 2 30. 3 carry 4 zeros are 0. 0 plus 3. 4 2s are 8. So 40%, 40, 4 5s are 20. 2 carry 4 7s are 30. 3 carry 4 zeros are 0 plus 3. 4 2s are 8. So 8,300 we are getting as a 40%, and remaining is what? 7,020 plus 8,300. So 12,000. So this is the cash received, and this will be called as bad debts. So this is the bad debts we are not receiving as an insolvent. So this, after that, final settlement entry. Now final settlement entry I am writing over here. So what we are receiving? We are receiving a cash. So cash account debit and bad debts account debit. So bad debts account debit to Drawi. Drawi is Manali. So Manali account. Now what? How to write down? So how much cash we are receiving? 8,300. And what is the bad debts? 12,450 is the 12,450 is the bad debts, and Manali what we have to receive? 20,750. So this is the entry for final settlement, cash account debit, bad debts account debit to Manali account. This is the calculation of final settlement 40%. So narration is what being final settlement received.